Hi, Kevin with IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about vacuum sweepers. IPC has an entire range of vacuum sweepers, starting with a 24-inch walk behind, going all the way up to a 58-inch rider. Today we're going to talk about the 512R. Let's take a look at some of the features. The different applications you can use the 512R is hard floor, whether it's concrete, tile, asphalt, rubberized gym floors, wood floors. But you can also use it on carpeting, so you can take care of hallways, convention areas, classrooms, lobbies. It's unlimited what this machine can do. So let's take a look inside. This unit is a 24-volt system. It has two 12-volt batteries. Depending on the battery pack you choose, you can get 100,000 to 160,000 square feet of cleaning on a single charge. You've got an onboard charger, you've got a filter shaker, you've got your vacuum system, you've got your adjustment for your main broom. So your side broom does all the edging, bringing everything into the path of the actual unit. As it moves forward, you've got your main broom that's going against that forward motion, flipping all of the heavy debris into your hopper. All the heavy debris is collected in here, and there's a secondary hopper on the back side where the filter and vacuum is located. That's where all the light debris is collected. On the back side of the machine is the second hopper. This is where all the light debris is going to collect. Right here is the panel filter. The panel filter is going to go ahead and filter down to 5 microns so you don't put any of that dust back into the environment. When picking up large debris, simply pull the lever on the steering column to lift the front flap so you can pick up items just like this. This unit is compact enough to go through a standard doorway. This unit has a tight turning ratio, so you can go into narrow aisles and turn around.